Now we've just familiarized ourselves with the layout of the SolidWorks part file. We're going to look at creating our first 3D object. We're going to create a 3D rectangle, and its dimensions are going to be 5 inches long by 3 inches wide by 2 inches tall. The first step is to go to the command manager. We're going to click on extrude. From extrude, we have the option to select the top, the front, or the right side plane. Depending on where you want to start, we're going to create this cube. I'm going to start here on the front plane. By selecting that, it rotates it to the front view. To start our sketch, up here in the command manager, we've already switched to sketch. It's done that automatically. We're going to start by drawing some lines to make this rectangle. We're going to give it a length, a height, and complete that cube. Right now it's not dimensioned. We want to put some dimensions to this. In order to do that, up here in the top left hand corner on the command manager, we're going to select Smart Dimension. By selecting one of these lines, we can change its dimension. Just enter in your dimension from the keyboard, 2 inches in this case for our overall height, and then our overall length, which is 5. In the front view of an object, we have the overall height and the overall length. The next step here is we want to give this the third dimension, so we need to extrude this. So from here, up in the command manager, we're going to go to Features. From Features, we're going to hit Extrude, and we're going to give it its depth, which these have a width of 3 inches. Type in 3, and either hit the checkbox or hit Enter on your keyboard. In order to move an object around in SolidWorks or to zoom in and out, we use the roller on the mouse. Depending on where the arrow is pointed, when you roll the wheel, it will zoom in and out to the point. To recenter an object, if you double click the roller, it will recenter. If you want to rotate an object, hold the roller in and move your mouse. You'll be able to rotate the object. Now that I have this in a different view where it's not isometric anymore, I want to change my view style. Or sorry, my view orientation. At the heads-up display, under view orientation, we're going to select isometric. And now we'll rotate the object back into this isometric view.